In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NordVPN on your Roku TV step by step. And before we get started, if you haven't already, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along with the tutorial. Roku devices don't support VPN apps directly. The first method to use NordVPN is by setting it up on your Wi-Fi router. Once your router is connected to NordVPN, every device on your network, including your Roku TV, automatically uses the VPN. No extra apps, no extra setup for each device. Setting up a VPN router comes with some great benefits. All your internet traffic is encrypted and anonymous, which keeps your activity private from your ISP or other trackers. It also adds an extra layer of security for remote work, protecting files, passwords, and sensitive data through an encrypted tunnel. To set one up, you first need to make sure your router supports VPN configurations. NordVPN works with routers like ASUS, TP-Link, DDWRT, Tomato, OpenWRT, and more. But some routers provided by your internet provider may not support VPN setups. If that happens, you can get a router that already comes pre-configured with NordVPN through flash routers. Let's walk through the setup using a TP-Link router as an example. Open your browser and type in your router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, then log in with your username and password. Inside the dashboard, go to the Advanced section and open the VPN client settings. Turn on the VPN client feature and save the changes. Then create a new VPN profile. Add a name like NordVPN. Select OpenVPN as the connection type and enter your NordVPN service username and password. These are available in your Nord account under Manual Setup inside the Service Credentials section. Next, download the OpenVPN configuration files from your NordVPN account. You can choose the recommended server or pick a specific location you want. Download either the UDP or TCP file based on your preference. Once you have the file, return to your router page, upload it, and save your settings. After saving, enable the NordVPN connection in your server list. Then, open your device list, click Add, and select the device you want to protect. For example, your Roku TV. Switch its VPN access option to On, and that device will now use your NordVPN connection through the router. If your router doesn't support VPNs, you can share a VPN connection from your computer. Connect to NordVPN on your Windows or Mac computer, turn on the mobile hotspot feature, and then connect your Roku TV to that hotspot. This way, all your streaming apps will route through the VPN. While this method works, the router setup is more stable and gives better speed. And that's it. Your Roku TV is now protected with NordVPN, and every device on your Wi-Fi network is secure automatically. If you want to set this up yourself, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price today.